You want to talk big breaking news? Well, this one actually is. That guy right there, Jett Lawrence, out for the rest of motocross. And this is from Racer X, from a press release from Honda saying torn UCL incurred in a practice crash this week. Lawrence to undergo a procedure on Thursday. Goal is to return for Super Motocross title defense. Apparently, there is a quote from Jett saying, "quote It's obviously a bummer, but it's part of the sport. It was honestly a pretty small crash, but it is what it is. I've been pretty lucky with injuries in my career so far, so I guess it's just my turn. I was happy with the progress we've made in championship set my setback at Hangtown, and I was excited to try and keep my championship. That obviously won't happen now, but I have a good team around me, and I will focus on getting healthy again and coming back at 100%. I look forward to cheering on Hunter and doing whatever I can to help him the rest of this series." Now, this is huge because he was 100% the title favorite. Let's be honest about that. Even with the crash at Hangtown, the supposed shoulder injury that he was talking about, they might have to get an MRI for. And you gotta say, was this crash caused by that? Who knows? But this is huge because there's your title defender, your title 100% person who you think is gonna win, gone. So what that leaves Chase Sexton. And as I looked up the points, it also leaves his brother Hunter, who is actually leading the championship right now. He has 213. Lawrence or Jett and Chase Sexton both with 210. Cooper Lawrence or Justin Cooper with 176. So it's basically now down between Chase Sexton and Hunter Lawrence. This is big. I mean, you're even if Hunter Lawrence is ahead of his brother right now, which he is, you have to assume that Jett is the title, the person you expect to win. Chase Sexton obviously has been doing well, but it's just if he's healthy, Jett's going to be the title favorite. But now with him gone out for the rest of motocross, so you wipe it away, doesn't matter. He is now not going to win. You've got Hunter Lawrence, who could actually claim a 450 title. This would be big for Honda in general to win with somebody else, and also for Hunter Lawrence to show that, hey, it's not just my brother, it is also me. And kind of it's going to be one of those things. If Chase Sexton wins this, you got that little asterisk again of like, hey, you won a title, but your main title rival or whatever you want to call it got injured before. I don't know. This is to me, this is huge. Obviously, giant name out of the running, injured in a practice crash, never good. But I don't know. Comments down below. You guys tell me, who do you think wins? Is it Hunter finally comes out of the shadow of his brother, or does Chase get another title because his main rival got injured? But whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helps me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.